Hi, and welcome to this new video on logging into Victor Client. To log in to Victor Client, double-click the Victor Unified Client desktop icon. Select an option from the Authentication drop-down, either Windows Authentication or Basic Authentication. Enter a username and password to begin. You can also select an application server from the Victor Application Servers drop-down menu and click OK to log in. You are now logged in to Victor Client. To log out of Victor Client, select the user icon in the top right corner and click the Logout option. A pop-up will be displayed. Click Logout. This effectively frees up a license on your system, allowing another operator to log in. The login screen appears and you have successfully logged out. To log an operator out remotely, expand the Workstation option from the Devices menu. Right-click on a workstation and select Log Operator Out option. A warning message will be displayed. Click Yes. An information message will be displayed. Click OK. You have successfully logged out an operator remotely. To switch an operator, select the user icon from the top right corner and click Login. The login screen displays. Log in using the required credentials. And you have now switched the operators in Victor Client.